سحری روز قطعا خیلی بار وقت برامدم که هیچی رم نخوردم گشنه کافه چای گرفتم که نه میگم که با چیز چپه شده این چون خیلی من وقتی پورات کردم ده تو خورده خیلی خاله دلنی که دیگه اومدیم
This is normally set on 4. Freezer's on normally set. Put it up to 6. I try to feel my stuff in there. It just doesn't feel cold like it should in the refrigerator. You need me for anything?
No.
Okay. That's about as much as I can tell you.
Okay.
You know, that he's awesome.
All right. I will check you and tell you what's the wrong, what's happened, okay? All right. Так как у нас запоминать кнопки мачхира бровардестан. Береги. Обратно буду есть. Heating. The defrost. Because it's frozen here, everything, and it's clogged.
Problems in the freezer as opposed to...
Yeah, because it's clogged. Can you see? Here's too much snow. And...
Yeah, I see that. Is there something we can do?
Yeah, let me just first to doing a defrost. And then check the parts, the B-metal heating element. All right. Холодильником yanımda çaspideki boğuldu. İşte isteği buralarda. Çitleri buradım şöyle. Короче, хитинг кормикна. Дается на у нас проверить тут металл. Металл тоже бачи. Так, кормикна. Ищем контрольный борт.
10 years ago, 2016.
Yeah.
Of course, in a couple of days we're 26. So it's 10 years. Didn't it last 10 years? Every 10 years you replace the control.
So you already replaced that, right?
Huh?
You already replaced that.
It was replaced in 2016.
2016.
It's almost 10 years.
Wow.
Yeah, that's okay.
This is the problem. This is
Yeah.
the problem.
Well, I'm not surprised because...
Oh my gosh. Put it here?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Thank you so much for cleaning.
Yeah, I don't like to put everything dirty after me. Okay, sir? Sir, when I got the part, I call you, okay? Okay, bye. Because I'm late in my another job. Have a wonderful day. I call you. گفتم دپازیت متیم؟ نه گفتن ندادن ما دپازیت چند تا سوز نشون نمیتیم تسوم بلین خیلی مالی ما گفتم باید زبچه بخوام آدم کلان سال بودن دیگه هیچ شونم نگفتم ну ладно خیلی ну ладно